In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mockups in Canva for Etsy. If you sell digital or physical products on Etsy, polished mockups can make a huge difference, and Canva makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. Start by opening Canva and either creating a new design or opening an existing project where your artwork or product design is already saved. A blank canvas works if you're building product images from scratch, but opening a project is perfect if you've already finalized your design and just need great presentation. Next, let's find the Mockups app inside the editor. Look along the bottom menu and click Apps. If you don't see it right away, you might find it under Effects, then Apps. In the search bar, type Mockups. This built-in feature is what allows your design to snap onto realistic objects and scenes, saving you time versus building from layers. Once the app opens, browse templates by category like apparel, home living, or print, or simply search for what you need, such as t-shirt mockup or mug mockup. Pick a scene that reflects your brand style, paying attention to lighting, background, and orientation. Choose a clean, uncluttered option if you want your design to be the star, or a lifestyle scene if you want a more natural, in-context look. Now it's time to place your design. Click Select, choose your design file, or upload a new one. Then drag it onto the mockup placeholder. Canva's AI will snap it into place automatically. If it doesn't snap on the first try, hover over the intended area until you see the image highlight, then release. To refine the look, double-click the image. You'll see options like Fill, Fit, and Smart Crop. Fill covers the entire mockup area and is great when you want edge-to-edge coverage. Fit keeps the entire design visible without cropping, which is helpful for maintaining proportions. Smart Crop intelligently centers the most important parts. You can drag to reposition and scale, and it's best to avoid over-enlarging to prevent blur. If you want to try a different design on the same mockup, double-click again and choose Detach Image. This keeps your template intact while you swap designs quickly. When you're happy with the result, hit Save to keep your changes. Then click Download and choose PNG for high-quality output. PNG preserves crisp edges and fine details, which is ideal for Etsy product photos. If available, select a higher resolution to maintain clarity across different listing sizes. That's it. Thanks for watching.